Hi everybody, Mr. Pan here, and whoa, what do you see? Well, it looks like a mommy cheetah to me, together with three cubs. So, a cheetah, like a dog, cat, monkey, elephant, is an animal. And of course, if you have babies, you are a mom. That's the story we're doing today. Animal moms. All right, guys, I just told you. Today we will read the story. Can you say the name? Yes, that's right. Animal moms. Animal moms. So what I want you to do. This is where we're going to go, guys. Page number 21 of your DR books. Everybody, please get your DR. Turn to page 21. And da-na-na-na. Mr. Pan is going to read the first sentence. After that, I want you to read. So, Mr. Pan, 3, 2, 1. This mom has pups. Students, 3, 2, 1. Ding! Good job. Mr. Pan, number 2. She is resting on the rocks with them. Students, 3, 2, 1. Ding! Good job, guys. Rest, pups. Rest, mom. Students, 3, 2, 1. Good job, guys. So Mr. Pan will repeat the page. This mom has pups. She is resting on the rocks with them. Rest, pups. Rest, mom. Because when a mommy has a baby or babies, she needs to rest. She needs to take a break so that she has enough energy to take care of them well. Okay, guys, page number 2, you can see polar bears. Now we're going to change. You are going to read first, then Mr. Pan is going to repeat. So students, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. This mom has cubs. Students, 3, 2, 1. Mr. Pan, the cubs are just like their mom. Students, 3, 2, 1. Mr. Pan, they can swim in this cold water. Students, Mr. Pan, swim, cubs. Swim, mom. Okay, guys, so we see polar bears. We see a mommy and we see two younger polar bear cubs. And the cubs are just like their mom. They can swim in cold water. So we say, swim, cubs. Swim, mom. Whoa, we go away from polar bears and we see different kinds of bears. Okay, it looks like they are looking for lunch. So now, boys and girls, I want you to try again. You read first, followed by Mr. Pan. Students, 3, 2, 1, go. Very good. This mom is hunting with her cubs. Hunting means they are looking for food. Students, 3, 2, 1, go. Good. What is jumping in that water? Ooh, what's jumping in that water? Boys and girls, 3, 2, 1. Mr. Pan, hunt, cubs. Grab a snack. So the mommy bear is teaching her cubs how to hunt. They are hunting fish. They are going to try and catch the fish in their open mouths as the fish jump in the water. Wow, look at this, guys. Yes, in the water. What does it say? Students, please read for me. 3, 2, 1, go. Mr. Pan. This mom is with her kits. Sounds like kittens, like little young ones. Good, students. You started reading without Mr. Pan. Good job. They swim in a pond. Pond is a place with water. Students, 3 to 1. Whoa, look at that. Their pond has lots of sticks, grasses, and twigs. So we've got sticks, we've got grasses, we've got twigs, lots and lots of plants and those kind of things that are near the water. Last one, last two, students, 3 to 1. Good job. Swim, kids, swim, mom. Okay, so you guys can see that even in the water, animals need to be able to swim to stay with their moms, and moms need to take care of their babies in the water. All right, students, you're doing such a good job reading. Please continue. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, Mr. Pan, this mom is with her pups. Yes. Students, 3 to 1. Mr. Pan, their pond is filled with mud. Students? Mr. Pan, they can swim fast in wet mud. And students, please finish. Swim, pups. Swim, mom. So you can see the little ones. They could be pups, they could be kits, they could be cubs. They all have to follow what their mommy is doing so they can learn to do important things. Okay, guys, you're reading so well. Let's keep going. 3, 2, 1, go. This mom is with her little ducks. Wow, many little ducks. Students, 3 to 1. Good, yes. Ducks swim and swim. Students, 3 to 1. It is fun. Students, 3 to 1. Have fun, ducks. And the last one all together. 3, 2, 1. Swim, swim, swim. Wow, so much swimming. It makes me want to swim too. Would you like to swim? Yes, I think we all want to swim. Okay, boys and girls. So does anybody remember the story name? Ding! Yes, Animal Moms. That is what we did in our DR today. And today we're going to write about the DR story, Animal Moms. So guys, you need to go to lesson 11, page number 4. Last time we did Zebiak. Today we will do Animal Moms. So you need to do Animal Moms on the bottom of page number 4. On the bottom of page number 4. So please get your module books, turn to lesson 11, page 4, and get ready to write on the bottom. Now students, Mr. Pan is going to give you 2 sentences, and I'm going to say each sentence 3 times. So you need to write down the words that Mr. Pan says. Number 1, what is the story title? Good. Yes, it is Animal Moms. Boys and girls, please write Animal Moms. Big A and big M, because it's the name of the story. Animal Moms. In the Animal Moms story today, we had some phonic sounds. Sa, sa, sa. ES for plural. ING. That is like I am reading, I am playing, I am swimming. ED means past tense. For example, I jumped, I walked. And we also have TH, the digraph, th sound that we have practiced recently. Okay, guys. Mr. Pan is now going to read the sentence for you. I'm going to read it 3 times. Then I want you to write the answers. Number 1. The cubs are just like their mom. I'd say a second time. The cubs are just like their mom. Mr. Pan will say it one more time. If you still need more time to write when Mr. Pan is finished, ding, pause the video, finish writing, and start the video again when you are ready. Mr. Pan will read for the 3rd time. 3, 2, 1. The cubs are just like their mom. The cubs are just like their mom. Okay, students, now we will do sentence number 2. Let us begin. 3, 2, 1, go. Their pond has lots of sticks, grasses, and twigs. Second time. Their pond has lots of sticks, grasses, and twigs. All right, students, this is going to be the last time Mr. Pan will say the sentence. Remember, if you need more time, ding, pause the video, finish writing, and then you can continue watching. Mr. Pan, third time. 3, 2, 1. Their pond has lots of sticks, grasses, and twigs. Their pond has lots of sticks, grasses, and twigs. Okay, students, we are now going to check our answers. If you get a perfect score, jing, give yourself a big check. If you did not get a perfect score, please make corrections. So guys, I want you all together to now read number 1. 3, 2, 1, go. Good job, guys. Let Mr. Pan now say it with you. 3, 2, 1, go. The cubs are just like their mom. The cubs are just like their mom. And if you got that right, ding, give yourself a check. Okay, guys, number 2. Everybody, let's read together. Actually, you read first, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. Nice. Now we're going to read together with Mr. Pan. 3, 2, 1, go. Their pond has lots of sticks, grasses, and twigs. Their pond has lots of sticks, grasses, and twigs. Boys and girls, if you got that right, ding, another big check. And grade 1s, that is the end of our DR story and writing today. Animal Moms was a cool story. I hope you liked it, and I'm sure you all did very well on your writing. Okay, guys, Mr. Pan is now going to say goodbye. See you next time. All the best. Bye.